Tuesday, June 22nd, 2025. It is currently 9 a.m. I'm up a little bit earlier this morning. It is hotter than hell outside still. It's hot. I had a rough night last night. I didn't sleep very well. Just couldn't sleep for some stupid reason. I was able to, so I just kind of did what I had to do. Tossed and turned and whatnot. It wasn't that I was hot, I don't know what my problem was. But yeah, it's supposed to finally cool off. Thank God. We're supposed to get storms come through this afternoon, which they'll be welcomed. Because it is terrible. But I guess we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get something. This humidity is just horrible. Just horrible. But I am going to water the garden and kind of get myself ready for the day, and then I will chat with you all in a little while. So this is currently how warm it is outside right now, 100 degrees. And that's not included with the humidity. So yeah, it is a hot one today. I'm up on the pool deck here for a minute. Just trying to, I cleaned the table, put the trash in the trash can, and just looking at this pool, thinking that we should be swimming in it today with a bunch of people. Annoying, but that's okay. The water is definitely warm, though. It'll be nice to just get in here. I mean, we have warmer days coming ahead, but I would just like to still be able to swim. But it is what it is. Can't always get what we want. I'm gonna lose my britches. I've lost so much weight that nothing fits me anymore. So yeah, it is a scorcher out today. Yesterday I think was worse because it was more humid, but today much better. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go collect some bricks to put up on that umbrella stand up on the top deck, and then I will catch y'all later. Hi y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So we are currently under a severe thunderstorm watch for the rest of the day. So that's that.
Number 455, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Alger, Delta, Dickinson, Marquette, Menominee, and Schoolcraft, and the following marine locations: Huron Islands to Marquette, Michigan, Marquette to Munising, Michigan, and Lake Superior east of the line from Manitou Island to Marquette, Michigan, and west of the line from Grand Marais, Michigan to the United States and Canadian border beyond 5 nautical miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
So that's kind of what's happening now. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch until that time. I've been just kind of chilling inside because it's so damn hot. Then I go out and I go in, I go out, I go in. But yeah, so that is what's happening. It is going on 3 p.m. now, so this warning is until 10 p.m. tonight. Should be interesting. It's a hot one and humid one out there. My stomach is just not liking me right now, and I hate this. Ugh. What did I eat this time? I don't even know anymore. But yeah, so that is currently what's happening. I am going to cook chicken legs on the grill today. And then probably a corn cob. Because I got to start using that corn. And yeah, that's it, really. It's too hot to do anything. So I'm not over pushing myself. I know what happens when I do that, so yeah. So I will catch you all later.
9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. In the counties in Michigan, Marquette, Menominee, and Schoolcraft.
Here we go again.
Marine locations: Huron Islands to Marquette, Michigan, Marquette to Munising, Michigan, and Lake Superior east of the line from Manitou Island to Marquette, Michigan.
This is what happens when it gets super hot.
To the United States and Canadian border beyond 5 nautical miles from shore. Means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Needle in the bed, gonna wind up dead.
It looks like it's going to be a day of having to watch the weather. Unfortunately. So right now I'm going to empty the dishwasher. Not much dishes in it, but there's enough. I might run to the store quick. Kind of want to... Well, I got to cook the chicken because I took it out. I'm sure I won't make it out in the fridge for another night. No, I don't want to cook, but that's what happens. I feel like house chores never end. There's always something to do. So I'm assuming the weather's going to get pretty nasty tonight. Unfortunately, I just don't know when. I'm sure they'll be lifting it to a tornado watch pretty soon. I'm sure. That's usually how it goes. They say a severe thunderstorm and then it turns into a tornado watch. Because there is enough out there where it could happen. And that's okay, I guess. We'll just take what we can. It's just too damn hot, I can tell you that. I'm just excited for a cool down for the next couple of days. 'Cause it's gonna be in the 60s for the next 2 days. And then we're back up again in the high 80s, possible 90s again. So with the humidity. I mean, it is summer, I get it, but with my health, I don't do very well with the heat and the humidity. That's just the bottom line. I don't do very well with it. But I make the best out of it, you know. I should run this dishwasher anyways, just with this little bit of stuff in there. I'm sure I'm gonna have stuff from dinner. Ugh, I hate dishes. This was the best thing my friend ever got for me, was this dishwasher. Well, it was for the house. So whether I still continue to live here or not in the future, it may stay or go with the house. I don't know. It's a portable dishwasher because this kitchen there isn't much room for an actual dishwasher, so. But that's okay because it's just me, so I usually just eat. I don't eat like huge meals. So just trying to get some housework done here because I did not even follow the meal. Oh, it's a new week actually, so I didn't even follow the meal plan last week. So maybe that's something I should work on now today. This week's meal plan. I didn't make anything I was supposed to make last week. What a dipshit, hey? So I have to make new copies of my food, or my recipe, or my weekly meal plans. So I'm going to print those out now. I'm doing 20 of them. Usually lasts me for some time. But yeah, today's a little bit cooler than yesterday. I mean, I will say. I'm going to set you up right here. And hopefully you stay. So you can kind of see my weasel head as I talk to you about my meal plan here. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing now. Yesterday was supposed to be leftovers, but you know, June is almost over. We have 30 days in June. That's crazy. June is almost over. Where the hell did the time go? I don't know. Not at all. So I think I'm going to sit here and work on this, and then I'm going to catch back with you later. So the pool is getting cleaned and chemicalized, and then it'll be ready to swim in. So I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's pretty dark out. Now all of a sudden, looks like a storm is going to come in. But it looks like it's going away from us. I hear the weather radio again going off. Oh boy. It's gonna be an interesting afternoon. So it is currently a little after 6. The storm cleared out, and now it's back to humid again, but not too bad. Like this I could handle. So I'm currently making chicken legs. And a pork steak for my mom. Which I think is done. I get so nervous with these big old chicken legs. But I'm sure they're cooked. So I'm having rice with it and peas. So I will catch you all later. Welcome back, everybody. So it is currently a little after 6. The storm cleared out, and now it's back to humid again, but not too bad. Like this I could handle. So I'm currently making chicken legs. And a pork steak for my mom. Which I think is done. I get so nervous with these big old chicken legs. But I'm sure they're cooked. So I'm having rice with it and peas. So I will catch you all later. Hi y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So it is going on 8:30 now. I'm heading in the shower now to get done for the night. I'm tired, I'm whooped. The pool is ready now. All the chemicals and everything are in it. I'm a wet rat. It's nice to have the windows open in the house though, to get that cool air in here. It's cooled off quite a bit actually out there. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna hop in the shower now. And I'm gonna close the vlog off for today. So I hope everybody has a good night. I will see you all in the morning.